Gates open, then up and racing. RGA draws for your lead, moving up by the release. Manila Style. In between runners comes Power Gear. Charlie's World is by the rail. Balubaran's Pride is racing in fifth. Then moving up, Master then Citonet Andorra. Pivotal comes next, Luck to Win second last, Ravishing Rafi, and trailing the group is Dashing. Past the last 800, Shirley's World now takes command, running in second is RGA, Manila Style, Master then now catching the third spot, racing now in fifth on the outside is Balubaran's Pride, then comes Power Gear as they race towards the last 450, RGA leading the field. Balubaran's Pride now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Master then by the rail with the last 300 meters more to run. RGA then by the rail is Master then moving up on the outside. Balubaran's Pride, RGA, Master then Balubaran's Pride, Citonet, Power Gear, and leading the finish line it's going to be RGA. Second, Master then Citonet close between Luck to Win, Power Gear, Balubaran's Pride, then comes Pivotal.
Di po ba? May